Those people who are leading this Komfo teaching hospital thing, they are NPP people. Secretary Odi demonstration with you Komfo teaching hospital. This is him. Owns AFRIYIE to contest for NP in Esunafo North PP primaries. I now oye PRO. On a lead this campaign with Komfo teaching hospital. And the say Omunko strike. This is a guy who contested to be MP on the MPP ticket. Your program, your president to be program. Need to understand. After all these things, and you better say enyumbre Komfo for asem teaching hospital no and I say hospital no omode omano asem abeto abontene efa striker na doctors ne nurse fo bi ho a omoso omako omode enyomegu for my one person yarephobia for the past 48 hours no doctors ni bi ene nurse for bi omo Komfo no omo nhwe yare ni bia Ghana ni bia na oyare Ghana ni bi onya accident omo Komfo no nurse for the doctor for omo ka se omo nkonkowu efri se aban atwe CEO a wendi president asem so ason enti doctors are omo Komfo teaching hospital no omo de krata ba say omo so saban atwe omo panyina so a omo so ebehwe ama Ghana fo ewu enti omo de omo dwuma de nyina agu fom ema nipa bebre ko Komfo omo nya ya say obuko wuye and omo say oh strike no omo eden omo twa so ni nyina ne say Komfo teaching hospital doctors say omo strike no omo de aba ewiye efri say otumfo say tutu nani omo kasaye enema omadwini ba afie na nkenye otumfo a anka sa strike no mkoye no anka ometene fie akopem se Ghana for dodo no bewu. Thank you. Komfo teaching doctors suspend strike after otumfo's intervention. Omde krata beto abontene echro brofo tintintin cheche wuche Ghana for say adekudie ntia and they almost saba back abaye dwuma ne say enye bia president no mubu no enye bia president na wa mo dwuma bi so mundi no mubu no enye bia constitution na sebio ama mo dwuma bi so munye eno mubu constitution no sebio eye otumfo na omubu no eninti na ende no omokwa akoye dwuma no enti Komfo doctors omo ho no say sebio nipa oti omoka eye the president eye aban no sebio enye wo taxpayer na sebio wo ba Komfo a we nya yaresa obewu no enye wo no mubu sebio enye aban na ema omu nyina adwuma say doctors nurses den technicians no enye omu na omu bu omu sebio enye president a oteman no so a otumfo hye na se ena omu bu no na eye health minister krampo de onye nipa bi omu bu no na emom eye bu omu de ma otumfo nti na omu ye adwuma normal simple enti abeti ase Komfo teaching hospital no sebio eye otumfo say tutu ene tu omu ka. It is fine. Right now, ya behu baby a line no ye draw no. Now before we go into this matter and reasons somebody ma enti almost say a strike no omo eden omo e de abewie no ye wi abechichi. But I want the NDC and Ghanaians to understand something. Before we continue with this, I want Ghana to listen to the President of the Republic of Ghana, who is super powerful than any chief in Ghana, including Otumfo. I'm going to make this statement again. Before I continue, I'm going to play the directive from the President of the Republic of Ghana, who is the first gentleman of this land, who is recognized by the Constitution, and who is super powerful than a chief like Otumfo or Setutu in Ghana. It does not matter how you feel or what you think. Otumfo Setutu serves the President of the Republic of Ghana. Because Otumfo or Setutu, at the end of the day, is a citizen of this country, and the president is recognized by the big book of this country, which is the Constitution of this republic. So it does not matter the amount of gold that Otumfo Nweshia, he's still under the leadership of the president of this republic. And we need to be clear on that. Every living being in the territory of Ghana, the Constitution, you live under that Constitution, you serve the president of the republic, and the president of the republic is John Dramani Mahama. So it does not matter how you feel. It does not matter who you are. It does not matter your position in your clan. It does not matter how you are hailed by your own people. It is a fact that every living being serves the president of the republic because he is the only person, the Constitution, which is bigger than any clan, any group, any clan, any tradition, the president is bigger. And the constitution recognizes the president of the republic than any chief in Ghana. This is the directive from the president.
Objectives. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry of Health is expected to issue guidelines to eliminate the unacceptable no-bed syndrome. Patients facing medical emergencies must be received and given help, if even under makeshift conditions. You don't need to have a comfortable bed to save a patient. No patient must be turned away from any health facility they report to. Mr. Speaker, but in the meantime, government will expand capacity by implementing the Rich Hospital Phase 2 project to increase the number of beds at the Greater Accra Regional Hospital. We will also continue and complete the police hospital project and also continue and complete objectives.
So that was a direct statement from the president when he was reading the State of the Nation 2026 this year. He gave a direct order that no hospital, no practitioner, health practitioner, no doctor, no CEO who is in charge of any clinic should send patients away. Every patient deserves to be attended to, irrespective of the situation. But today, Komfo Anokye Teaching Hospital doctors, nurses say they don't give a heck about the president. They don't care about the minister. They don't respect the constitution that gave the president the power to instruct the minister to employ some of them to be paid to live as human beings, and that they will rather respect Otumfuo than to respect the man who employed them and giving them food to eat. That is fine. But before I go into this matter, I want Ghanaians to understand, and I want the NDC to understand, this is purely politics. So MPP for NDC for Montiasia, we are politics. What they are doing in Kumasi with Komfo Anokye, politics. Andra Bebetna Midin can catch Ghana for say, what is happening in Kumasi? It is something that they are going to link Menshia to. And if Menshia itself does not like professionals linking themselves to Menshia and politicizing things using Menshia as their cover, Menshia itself will stay away from dirty politics. Et say asebesi obi fie na ne papa wo ho na akwara bi tifio na papa na etwe na so na akwara no papa na etwe na so no akwara na pie aba efie fufrom na papa na oti efie fufrom no aka acha akwara no say ko ufie ono koyi unwoma betena me fie ha. What does that mean? Akwara one ne papa ne maame te, papa ne to aduane ma no, papa ne didi ko school, papa ne hwe no, maame ne nyemo no e na owo no. Akwara na ayade bi a entwa yie e na papa no etwe akwara na so e na akwara no asori aba wo panyini ni ho. De free wa no ba ne say school na wo se wo nko no ko papa fie ho ne koyi wo bags be si me fie. What does that say about you, sir papa no? What does that say about you? Wona akwara ne ba na wagina si fie o say on san ko ne fie nkoyi ne ntade emegu fie metena no. What does that say about you? Dey ne kafa wo ho. It's a lot. E kan sem bebre fa wo ho. And sem bebre kafa wo say wo onye panyini papa on ka no kore. Wo so nsem hunu so. Sa amanfo twe omo maso a why wo ho panyini a owe nanka. Akwara ne di bone na ne papa atwe na so no, instead say obema akwara na kofie ana obedi akwara na chi akofie ana obefra akwara ne papa ene na akasa say ko na ko na de oye no kopa ho chew no wo panyini ne wote ho ka che akwara say on san ko ne fie ko sesa ne ntade metena wo fie na wo sa panyini no wo mbu akwara ne papa. It does not matter the position you sa panyini who hold in the community. That moment, that decision, no, sa akwara ko gina bontene na oka kire Ghana fo ana mantem wo se me di boni wo fie na me papa ye se obebo me no papa we na agimi atena o obi abewo mantem wo se wo na wo soso bone so wo na wo bu papa n'anim ase wo na wo bu papa n'anim tia. Yesi de nam no so a suntu dua beba no onwie e Bible ne kae. The Bible knows say men can commit crime, men can sin, but the Bible was cautious or say nam bibi so na sa bone ni sia wa bone ne nam so no mum na wo so wudie. So what you do is you stay away. You don't get yourself involved. Because you are the one who received the punishment or the curse. Enti say obi a juma hospital, obi a nurse ni, obi a doctor ni, nipa otia de kabu sumi biano eya aban. Nipa na aban to nsafre no efa de juma no. Yese wa ya ade ma aban na twena so. Aban ni ka che nipa se onye juma no nsevu nipa oso onye. Na sa wo enkwara no kura sebie abeka asem na kire what do? You stay back and tell them, hey, nipa na ofa wo dwuma na busumi bia no otumi ma sika to obotom kohwa wo yire ne wo ma no tie nipa no na bu no wan kasa de okacha no say men tie nipa no na tie me na akwara na pie nam krom ka che nkofo say me papa de we sanseni na papa na otie dan ni chi no ono na me tie no. What does that say about you? This is politics. And Menshia is doing dirty politics. Menshia is deliberately disrespecting the president of the republic. You see, Mameka be being MPP for, NDC for. Menshia has been doing politics for years. And Menshia has been disrespecting Ghana politics for years. And I know how the leadership of the NDC, on countless occasions, you have at least respected Menshia. There are so many things that Menshia ya. Sebio senka party mumwa santima mbu Menshia. Ka sebio ankamano krabitia Menshia. But it is about time you people understood to say, when you are selecting people to go and lead government institutions, select people who believe in your vision, your ideas, and people who are ready to work for Ghana. Not people who are affiliated to Menshia. People who don't care about the development of Ghana. And I'm not saying Menshia does not care about development in Ghana, but if you really care about Ghana, any nipana or employer, when there's an issue, you will contact the person, you will take the directive for the person, you will respect the person to adhere to whatever the person says. But you see, continuously, we have played this democratic stance whereby the NDC have always been the Democrats. Debiani atujunso egumuso. Debiani ebum abomfia. Debiana nipa bi di kasa bi edimu atem. Yetumi ka asam tom so. Yetumi ka asam we de John Mahama NDC kan wo menhia so na emfiri menhia. But yenya obi amfiri menhia ma na beka asam we enye menhia na kan ana John Mahama na kan. We have lived through this from JJ Rawlings time till now. This is not new. This is something that has consistently happened. And if we allow this to go on, some people will now disrespect the presidency and the government of the day because your penifobia or Ghana, say they are going to hide behind to disrespect the Republic of Ghana. And that should not happen. When you get power, make sure you get people who align with your vision and you people who can work at the end of it to help Ghana. Not people who in their head feel said they are aligned to a stool and that they will not respect the people who are paying them. These are raw facts. I'm not going to lie to you. Because Sebio, senka menshia penyepe, so ankobu eye NDC abanya. Menshia will never. Because our statement, menshia will call them and tell them, no, there is a president of the republic. Yawo obia otiamoka. Yawo obia ofa mwejuma. Menshia does not employ anybody. Otumfo say to Pia Nana Medo, but you don't employ any Ghana civil servant. It is not in your place because you cannot pay any civil servant in Ghana. It's a fact. Otumfo say to Menshia entwintua civil servant in Ghana. Otumfo say to Menshia entwintua nurses for Ghana in Aka. They did not post any nurse in Ghana. Otumfo say to Menshia did not appoint the CEO of Ghana. Otumfo say to Menshia and you're in the chia a nurses, doctors for snit momo. Otumfo say to Menshia a dia sante forso. So when it comes to governance, we are talking about a president making a decision that every single CEO needs to respect. So we have to get to that point whereby we become realistic with the issues. Because you see, Debia Yakasa Ahemfonia politics. Debia Yakasa Ahemfonia politics. But we are seeing the undermining of politics in Ghana and governance. Majority is coming from these chiefs, some of these people. Ahemfu bebre edidi akonyaso ena omodi undermining the integrity and respect of the constitution and also the presidency. And we need to understand ebua ye pese ye de ma eye wo no also to expect to say the same ebuo no ye de be ma panyini a odi Ghana so, because I respect Otumfuo and mean say Ghana fo nyina no wherever they be to Otumfuo omoma no de the needed respect. Eye dan na metuma ko share Otumfuo na me ko share Mamponhene na me bu me mu ama Mamponhene na me gino Otumfuo nim Abraham Shame Mpaboa. It will never happen. Otumfuo said to Ahemfo kura bubofu say adan na udi ebuo akoma ohene ketwa de ebuo ebema ube gina Otumfuo nim sa. They deserve. So respect is reciprocal. As far as your people have recognized to say, oh, you are under the constitution of the republic. You are not powerful than any constitution. So you need to give the same respect to the president of the republic. Because whether you like it or not, everybody bows to the president of the republic. So nobody in Ghana is above that. So obi pese odi wenim echichi president nenim odi wudi egu president hu fin egu oman hu fin egu eye governance hu fin. You quickly step out and say no. You can issue a statement, but you cannot say because of my intervention, because the president gave a directive. And we need to get to that point where we speak against it. Ahimfubi and specifically Adiwe in Komfo ya kano say mention person or the president nenim twitwi form. It should never go on again. This should be the last time. Because yenyina organ nyina Awunafuo, Ekristofo, Inkremofo, Asantifo, Infantifo, we all worship one constitution, and nobody's about the constitution of Ghana. No individual born in Ghana calling themselves Ghanaians, irrespective of who you are, every single person, or Abusumo, or DNDO, you all fall under the constitution of the republic. Every power in Ghana is exerted in this precedent. So how can we allow young people, nurses and doctors, sit and say Otumfuo for intervention? Abra, even before that, the minister through the president through the minister put a statement out that doctors and nurses are supposed to work. It is a one to cry. Let away Babontino, you were supposed to issue a statement from Asia. Said no, it wasn't through my intervention. I wanted you people to go back and work. That does not mean the president should be undermined. But you see, continuously, some way you see. The moment our best or address yes, we go to for them. No, it needs to stop. These are some of the things a calling for young people using words they're not supposed to use against chiefs in Ghana. These are some of the things that opens windows for people to denigrate Nkonya, to denigrate individuals who are supposed to be revered and respected in our country. Because at the end of the day, it is the president of the republic. He was sworn into office by all of us. So nobody can disrespect the president and nobody can disrespect the constitution. And these are things that we need to understand. Ebuona ye peno, yemfa the same ebuoni manipa, it should be reciprocal. And it's not sebio, obi to kobo obi di wo baby, or say a hodi nan kenisa obo midin. If we say, sa midin na o bono, mani pebe jen say, mi bu obi animtia. So some people, ukobo di wo baby and buofu. And yes, it is because of the respect they have for people. It was expecting Mensha, the moment these people put this statement out, for Mensha to react and say, no. Mensha, respect the president, respect the directive of the president. So nobody should put a statement out saying, because of Mensha's intervention. But before that, the president through the ministry had told the nurses and doctors to go to work. So at the end of the day, your poor man to where are they going to receive their salaries from Mensha? Are they going to take their working conditions from Mensha? Are they going to take their strength from Mensha? If not, then Mensha should not disrespect the presidency. Let us stop hiding behind the power we have to undermine presidency governance. Let's not do that. There are several times Nipebia Kasam Ediato NDC penny so I see a free Mensha. Mensha never came out to say no. It never happened. And we have talked about all these things. There was never a day. And we all made this thing slide because they want to say, but it is beginning to look like Mensha basically enjoys enjoys people disrespecting the NDC government. I say NDC because all these things has been leveled against the NDC from J.J. Rawlings' time to date, and Menhia has always allowed this to happen. The disrespect now, this is not out of respect and make us ask away. I am being honest as a Ghanaian. I am being honest as a young man. I don't disrespect Menhia. I don't disrespect Otumfuo. But these are the facts. Until we cross this bridge, it is going to be very difficult. Because Ebua may peno may expect to say Obiso Ebema Misa Buno. So we are supposed to understand. We are. Because when you see a whole nurses saying, say, we have suspended strike over Otumfuo's intervention. Before that, the minister who was acting for the president had instructed you after the CO went against the directive. These nurses sent a statement to insult the Ministry of Health, the leader of the ministry. Are you people going to get on the streets? Is it the same government you are going to beg to come and build or expand Komfo Anokye? Is it the same president you people are going to go through the Ghana National Registered Nurses or whatever to tell the president to come and expand? To say a problem now, Komfo Anokye, who is supposed to solve it? Let Otumfuo intervene for that problem. Near to Kroman Otumfuo intervene here. What did Otumfuo do? Otumfuo by react to say, one Ghana. What happened? Otumfuo does not have the financial strength to build Komfo Anokye. He doesn't. If Otumfuo had the financial strength, and Komfo Anokye, Menhia alone, they don't have it. So we need to respect authority. We need to understand that authority is the only thing that can basically solve our problems. So if Otumfuo is an authority, don't let Otumfuo's position undermine the bigger authority of Ghana. In the area, are we still going to write a letter to the government through the minister we disrespected and tell them, say, hey, emergency no still a musao. Why don't you go to Menhia for Menhia to walk to Accra to demand for that? Menhia knew that the government of the day, it is its responsibility to build hospitals. That is why every time Otumfuo gets the opportunity to speak, or say, "Abayin, aya mumbe si hospital no, mumbe biese wia, mumbe inye juma." The chief knows the importance of governance. Sanko Otumfuo was sika siwo, sika ye tri dia, ko bubu keje Komfo Anokye atogwesi. Why hasn't he done it? He knows there's a government the people are paying taxes to. And it's the responsibility of the government to build a facility. That is why when he gets the opportunity, he pleads with the government that my people need hospital, my people need good roads, my people need this. He knows the taxes are going to the government. So the government that employed you people, why do you disrespect the government to go and tell, with all due respect, Otumfuo on to me see hospital no to say hundreds of people died because of your negligence. That is where we are, and this is politics. There were so many regional hospitals for Ghana. Why don't we get issues with the CEOs? It is because Komfo Anokye Teaching Hospital is a political hub. They are converting hospital into a political cemetery. Every single nurse, every doctor, every manager sitting there feels like they work for Otumfuo instead of the government that pays them like chicken. And we are not respecting authority. See the way they disrespect the health minister. In their head, why are they supposed to respect the health minister? And you see these same nurses, they'll get on the street and demonstrate and tell you, say, oh, yeah, here salary increment. Oh, yeah, here the and who are you going to ask? In emergency, no problem nearby now. My problem we see, who are you going to ask? Are you going to call the minister you disrespected? Are you going to call the minister you call names? Are you going to disrespect? Are you going to call the same minister you are insulting? Are you going to tell the minister to go to the president that why don't you channel all your energy to Otumfuo? So from today, if there's a problem with doctors and nurses in Ghana, I don't expect you people to, at the end of the day, address the government through the minister. Because when you don't respect the minister, you don't respect the president, and you don't respect the constitution. So who is supposed to solve your problem? Mamenka Semiche NDC for that politics of favoring everybody, Donald Trump, it does not work again. Politics of Mempem Huasem, politics of I'm pleasing everybody, it does not work again on this planet. We are doing politics of interests. The people who align with you, the people who respect your vision, the people who want to support you build, those are the people you help. That politics of I respect this, that politics of I want to be nice with this, that politics of I want to be cool with it, that politics of no, it does not work. Come and ask Donald Trump. You people should get this in your head. With all due respect to Otumfuo or your hinia or dini mind, so all the perks, incentives be a Otumfuo is getting it. As a CBA 2 gold was antimem Otumfuo, he gets his royalties. If Otumfuo wants to fly first class or business or private jet 200 times a day, he can, because the people pay him the money. But when it comes to governance, when it comes to the people paying taxes to you, it is your responsibility, and it is your responsibility to monitor them. Let us not think, say, anytime you people get power, you have to please everybody. You cannot please everybody in Ghana. You have to show respect. You only show respect to people who show respect to you. So do not try to please everyone. There are people in different ministries who don't align, who don't want you people, your vision to come through. It's a reality. You need to understand it. Especially go to Attorney General's office. 90% of the people who work at Attorney General's office, they don't respect the president. They are aligned to the MPP. The Attorney General knows. Ayenini knows. There are so many people at the Attorney General's office who are working there who don't care about the president, who are still covering up criminality at the Attorney General's office. But Ayenini is sitting there watching them. They're going to bring him down. There are so many of these things happening. And the people who don't like your idea, the people who are there to sabotage you, if you sit and you don't take action, they would make sure they sabotage you, because you have experienced that before. I don't have any personal issue with anybody, but I'm making the NDC understand what this politics means. It is the reality. And these people are showing, in Komfo omudi eye sa campaign we nim say Komfo Anokye teaching hospital ma nurse bi anko adwuma ma obi anko adwuma. The people who led it, yes, starting from actually when the NDC were in power, where did it start? The day they made Akando the health minister, they deliberately decided to disrespect Akando. Why? Because Akando is not from their fraternity. Because Akando is not their usual person they can do business with. Because they saw Akando as an outsider. Who is this guy? At a point, Obikra Bienano, who is with the PRO of Ghana nurses and midwives, can say Akando is a farmer. They have never recognized him. So in their head, the president, so you saw this woman and his group. This woman, the leader of the leader of Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association. This woman, the leader of it. My husband NPP chairmanship doesn't influence GRMA. When this government came to power, Mahami Way, who is the leader of GRNMA, they started attacking Akando because they are MPP people. Or say Mfano Nikunu contested NPP their chairmanship. This is a woman who is an MPP affiliate. There's nothing you people can do. It will please the people at GRNA. No, this woman would never. And their motive is to bring the government down. Into some mobile power. No, this is the woman who started Nikuru contested for chairmanship. So Tema, sir, Range Hospital issued by chaos, but you saw the way she made sure she manipulated the GRNA to go after Akando, to go after the government, to embarrass the government, because the agenda was that Sami Kuru party free power, I would disgrace the government. But later we realized they did not even have any facts to make it look like Akando Edibone. That is them. This is politics. They are in there, they are protecting their interests. They want to fight to bring the MPP back. Those people who are leading this Komfo Anokye teaching hospital thing, it is their job. They are NPP people. The secretary, Odi, demonstration which you Komfo Anokye teaching hospital. This is him. Jones AFRIYIE Anto to contest for NP in Asafuano North, Esunafo North, MPP primaries. Ghana Oye PRO of a Ghana Medical Association. Let's get me right name. On a lead this campaign work Komfo Anokye teaching hospital. On a case Omunko strike. This is a guy who contested to be an MP on the NPP or on the MPP tickets. Sa branch na oti KUMASI na or say yeah call demonstration because your PAM CEO no or your MPP contested with MPP for seat so. They are there doing a bidding to destroy your government. They don't care about you. He is a pure NPP man, Jones AFRIYIE Anto, or contested a Sunafo North constituency to become an MP. These are the people who are doing everything possible to disgrace the government. Or no lady, nurses and doctors, because he is their PRO. Or Simo Munye Juma, because they have a plan. Disgrace the government, put it on record. Send it will go in favor of NPP election 2028. This guy. What you say? And Nuntina Kwa Weka said, Nurse Fono, Omunko 2 for Hansa, Oma respect they don't respect the president. These are MPP piglets. This is a guy who basically ne livelihood in a MPP and a WDH. He does not fucking care about you, the NDC. So if you people are going to start getting rid of these people out of the system, yes, you have to. Because your vision, it is only people who believe in your vision that can help you succeed. I am telling these guys are not going to help you. They have a plan. And I told you yesterday, say, and God being so good, you know why? Because they want to tell the president, say, to me channel. It's the total disrespect to the president. A party, a plan. You see, he is the chairman of Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association, on a regional chairman, Ashanti region. So on my instructions, Mamun Kwe Juma, Obiaga Samumbre Juma, President Dama directive and Tiasia, Adiachin or so, Yako Menshia say Yanko Juma, Juma, into Mubu president, so with Jimmy. These are the foolish people. I keep telling you, the MPP. And you people, NDC, you people sit there, you take this is not politics as usual. Me say, if you people don't understand, come and ask Donald Trump. You understand what governance is. You understand what politics means. We are doing politics right now as well as you. The people who are against you. They don't want you to win power. It's a fact. If you people think that these people are sitting there, that is their intentions. And they have always aligned with Menshia. And from the records, and the history, the Menshia Palace has always been the party headquarters of the MPP. Because Oma Buomo in different ways to disgrace the NDC government from 1992. It should never happen in any country. Say, Sebio, Wemo, and Omoyan Kwano, Jimmy Crow, or Sanka Menshia, Tiam, say, hey, Masuma Famba, because Meti, hey, so Hiniki baby, Nasa Samson on the corner, or Hiniki to an tea. And there's a nipa to Mwegu Krum. Nasa Omuta Santimemu say, oh, ya kwanye, ya bibianye, your hospitals are saying, na a man for Tom Mwegu Krum, ewa Santimemu, na a man for Papa Cast, a man for a demonstration, na O2 for Alpha Ede, Bantama Hineso Eka Sachrom no Monte. Na Omda we did na and conform the Begino 2 for New Cadence, oh, or Hinena or Waka Breno, a yadi, Coco Behino, and Yaka Santini Atia. How will you feel as O2 for? Missy, and the demonstration is was Santimemu. Obiasa Yakwanya, which is true. Ejuma Papa Biano, which is true. In Sota and Krode, which is true. Dear Yayano Kromo Yinano, Bibian Van Puntumba, Yanyan Papa Biawaha, Asante Fombebu, Akomu Grum, and Omuya de day, almost say cast, and Omuya demonstration say, a pese Sebio, Yanyan Puntu. Na Obi Ekase, Menshia Alpha Mampon, Hinoso Ekache, Asante Mambu, se Munjai. Na Diano Yabeso no. Na asantima maburuka se yente emfa ya ho obiafa ne kwase samonko na de bechi na omo mudi ye kire nanim e de krata ba bonte se oh kokofu man hene on na ni akasa ne yeja. How is Otufo going to feel? He's going to feel disrespected, and that is the same thing that has played out here. Into Otufo na kuma beba ni bufu abubufu han ni bubefu mampon hene ni bubefu kokofu hene every say adenti na o man ho kwan e man kura ne beka kire ne se onu nti na omugya ye kire no. So Otufo nibu emfu ayachirefo no Otufo bubefu kokofu hene because kokofu hene Otufo ase. Enti what is playing out no say Sebio Menshia and your politics no mo ye and then you deliberate so me go about any masia. They were supposed to release a statement to say no, it is not by our intervention. You need to understand you have a work to do. You have a job to do. You have to go there and do the job. And if you have any other discussions, you can carry it on to the president. We just spoke to you. It is not through our dear intervention. The moment Menshia, the Menshia is disrespecting President John Mahama, who is 100 times powerful than Otufo Zeditu. It's a fact. The constitution makes it clear. Aden yetina krom ma enkwara de politics egu ye hu fin. Debia na akwara kitikiti bi ti Facebook et TikTok na okasetia ohene adentra eye de ye. Our actions are calling for these things. What we do how we position ourselves. That is what calls for these insults. It calls for the disrespect. It brings our dignity down, our respect and everything. It brings it down. This has been going on for too long, and we need to get to that point where we stop it. It is not good. It is bad. International, the problem nearby, are we going to go back to the problem? Emergency hospital beds emergency equipment. Are we going to go and ask Menshia and say a minister? We are asking a simple question. Say we are hospital now, AFRIYIE, are we going to tell Otumfuo to take his own money to open the hospitals, or we are going to go back to the same minister we don't respect and the same president we don't respect? Who are we going to ask? By the end of the month, my salary are for 8 months. Are you going to go to Otumfuo for your salary, or you are going to question the minister and also question the president? I'm asking you basic questions. Mo nurse for one doctor sa mo menhia mo yankwase afo mo jimi. Mo ni mo nyansa. Abrochiranke apam mu nyina se ete abrochiri asemasi. O say nipa na ofa odwuma no aban na o through agencies for odwuma no o person kire say nipa bi no waka so wabodam na nipa na oban odwuma ono aduane di no nipa na ofa odwuma no you are disrespecting the person na okonya problem a obefre nipa na say uhia help na. We need to be intelligent a little bit, and dey be ameka kire menhia mama enkwara mfa ye mfrafra sa anwom na time. The president was out of town, the vice president was in town. As an advice to Menshia, de bia enunkwani ahinia de bia frofra politics sim. Ya wa himfo akese o Ghana. People don't involve themselves in this kind of politics. Ashanti region, Komfo, and it's not the only regional hospital in Ghana. Yeah, hospitals, among folk CEOs, you don't see chieftaincy mingling in these kind of things. The derailment of Ashanti development is because of Menshia. It is your involvement in politics. You make people's heart bitter. What the Ashanti people need, you use Menshia to cover it up. And for a long time, Menshia has been mingling in politics for too long. Is something be a channel for young people to say things they are not supposed to say to Menshia. It is not good. We need to refrain from it. We need to make the office. How can you go to the UK and then the Prime Minister puts a directive out, and then some people start to behave, and then they say that the king says something, and then somebody says the Prime Minister says we should go against it. How can that happen? This is something we need to understand. We are allowing chieftaincy, tribalism to destroy our people. We are allowing these things, and yet Kumasi Nkwana Regional Hospital what? Kumasi Nkwana Regional Hospital, but every day says COB controversy beba na ye Komfo. And the moment the issue happens, or your Otumfuo nana, those things are supposed to stop. We need to cut the palace, the chieftaincy from politics. You see, you have become too political. People don't even know how to address Otumfuo. Right now, when you step out, everybody thinks that your intentions are not pure. When you make genuine statements in public, people start to read other meanings into it because of your actions, because of the things you support, because the way you are quiet about when people align with you and disrespect president and disrespect government. That is why the dignity and respect of Menshia today is not that potent. Young people are not scared of Menshia again because of your involvement in politics. This is the greatest disrespect to the president of the republic. And we are not supposed to look at this and smile. In painful, this is bad. My point. We need to, let me tell you people. Yeah. How some of you people, Mojin say, you can just try and undermine the government. How some of you people, more doctors and nurses, my mom would say, you be go buy with Masi, you MPP for matter. Let me tell you. Jirima Mudi dia Santemino. Sa Adena Mo Yeno. It is going to come, and it's going to come and affect you people. Okay, and can be Babako own story way. Traders at Kumasi Central Market have urged Contractor UK Limited to reconsider its reported plan to shut down its Kumasi offices amid delays in funding for the KJTF Phase 2 market project. The combined Kumasi Central Market Traders Union says the move follows financial challenges linked to the delayed fund release. releases, which have already led to the layoff of about 150 workers. The union is calling for urgent actions to ensure the project continues and jobs protected. You see, if be concerned, Kumasi Central Market, you're from concerned traders. Oma Babontina be press conference. Now, press conference is saying, oh, omo catch the contractor na oh ye dwuma se mema ne parking in your manko. Oh, omo tutu anoma e de abekere se aboa beni. Omo say contractor na parking in your manko because omo te say yentua contractor ne car. Inti nipa be 150 dwuma e be bo omo. Inti omo de omo atele no. Inti omo ye press conference park contractor ne chew. Omo tutu anoma ho, omo tutu akokɔ ho. Na omo de abekere se aboa beni. You see what we do in Ghana? When did union, market women and men beg contractors? Do you people have a contract to the contractor? Has any individual, or Central Market, has anyone signed a contract with a contractor? That bay no because na TV one, table one, or the contractor be assign a contract. Ya sorry no passe, ya tete, ya keka, say mobile be ko, na mu nye sika nye juma no. When the cover contractor ne buy, why na the contractor ne tina table won so be tuaneka. Mumusie semwe ni sankurase semwe na enama santia ye kurase. Enti obi tinkran a o se asantefo ye nkurasefo. Mu tutu akokɔ ho abekere se aboa beni. This mind games, it will not work again. Sankurase semwe anama nipa bi tie Ghana no bubu asantefo ni bi se mu ye nkurasefo. Ye njimi, this is pure politics. What are you trying to do here? When a Central Market on a contract at a table has a contract. Wana contract or Ghana on the contractor be at a table who assign a contract or Ghana so omesi kejitia and a Central Market. Why do you have to go and say contract and say, oh, the contract normally are buying signing, what does it say? Can they just pick the equipment and leave? So why do we always try say ya pese Ghana for who say we are not grateful. Ya pese bibia say why do we do that? Mu to aduma ho abekere say aboa beni. That is what you people are doing here. Mu to aduma ho abeka say aboa beni. That is the nonsense you people are doing. E dey na mo ye no. We are building a nation. You people want to embarrass people. You want to find a way to make anything that is better. Ope NDC are buying. A man for a buying we are boom since a JJ runs NDC a asante for mo. Yepe regional NDC are buying we are boom. Osha aba a free stream. Osha aba a free awunafo kurom. Osha aba a free enkran. Osha abakura a free central regional. Ni a shame puntia kamo mo. Bona ngo se de bia mo rom hu street so mo NDC ni bia na kwa nantem so. But you ungrateful people, some of you. You people are very ungrateful. Nanado danko ekufuado fa akonwa betena santime ka kire mo ne mo hene. Say mo pese mo beto ama no kwabre kwa mo fam kwase anko obi anka se okurum ha. President Amato Abamano of Akonya Fin Crime, Everton radio so Eka se kwabre kwan no onye mopa mamonto aba o kachire mo hene. Yepe the most ungrateful humans on this planet e mo asantifo ni bi. What is your problem? What do you people need? Minyino asantimemu. What is all this? What is all this nasty thing? What is the end game? Meka mo amanya NDC ho faso. Yeah, per regional enya NDC ho faso wo Ghana. E ho asantefo. Ade bia NDC ayama no 90% enya bi ma region micro ma wonafo. They have gotten less than what you people have gotten. And so wonafo na to abama mo benya faso. You are ungrateful. Money bradie. Money mo kai. That is you people. Let's mention project by project. Let us mention project by project. Social intervention projects, human intervention project, political project, hospital, schools. Mikofa Green Book Bechewa. The number of projects NDC ayama santi. Your bile, makuma, mukejetia NDC simamo. Edi biena mope. Omo mucho omakuma. Eda form to abama NDC kwano. They have not received the things you have received. And so still meaning so. Kasetia, atenie, disrespect. Why were you people created? We need to understand we are building a nation. These things don't work again. Anytime between NDC forceful, the modern day politics, the politics of pleasing everybody does not work again. Look at where you're interested and put your power there. Put your money there. Put your money where your vote comes from. If you try to help and nobody wants to help, move it to where the people appreciate you. Because this is politics. Me, when I talk politics, I let you understand what politics means. Let me tell you people. Mapong, and every single day, I will sit here and speak the truth to you people. And Ghana for you, I don't care how you feel, but we need to respect the constitution and respect the precedent. This is not the first time more asantifodi be and it's boy you mention the disrespect John MAHAMA. It needs to end. It's a command. I will say sutra because obu hina mi bumi president. So obu president mi bumi hine. We need to respect the president because it is the constitution that the president by. Sani mutiano. But your program, your programmer, your president to program. We need to understand the respect you need. You also need to show that respect to people. Adding, you will talk on Thursday. Ochina a World Cup. Mexico, South Africa. Mexico 9, South Africa 0. Abwache gigim.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.
After all these things,
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubwahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words.
How a better near to me ashisha Ghana sikasem a develop Ghana. A better near to me I'll make sure say I'm a Ghana couldn't but Miaka say about Miaka the verb.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.